You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, a word from Maori, the Maori culture that is found in New Zealand. If you want to learn more Maori names, make sure to stay tuned. It's famous for being the All Blacks New Zealand rugby team tradition. The English pronunciation is a little bit different from the Maori. Maori pronunciation, haka, haka, haka. So you have really clear ah sound. In English, however, including in New Zealand, it's pronounced as haka, haka, with a schwa sound as the second ah sound. Haka, English, Maori, haka. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.